And it's not just real-time monitoring. In addition to the live monitoring of VDI sessions, we can also do proactive monitoring and availability monitoring through our synthetic testing module. Our synthetic testing module does EUC testing. Again, the supported platform are Citrix, VMware Horizon or Omnissa Horizon, and Microsoft AVD. And here's an example over the last 24 hours of a test that we are running. So this test basically goes to a NetScaler gateway, authenticates, logs in, starts the session, and then reports back on the performance. You see here the breakdown of the different stages. Good thing is that so far all these tests have succeeded. You can get great detail on that, including a screenshot. It includes latency information and all kinds of additional information that can be alerted on. The alert policies are very rich. Again, it could just be the status, failure, or successful, but we can add additional alerting conditions here from jitter, latency, the duration, all those kind of things. And again, you can email, you can use webhooks to be alerted. This is really useful to make sure that an environment is available when users need it, for example, at peak times in the morning or whenever else is needed. In addition to the synthetic testing for VDI and DES environments, we also offer testing for infrastructure components, including ping, traceroute, and other tests, HTTPS tests, Azure AD, as well as application testing. This could include sideload testing, Microsoft Exchange, and something that we recently added, web transaction testing. So to give an example, we have various locations that we can test from, either in the cloud provided by ControlUp, or customers set up their own testing location. And in this case, I'm going to give an example of Salesforce. Now, you can enter every step of this test manually, but we also have a steps recorder. So if I click on that, it automatically recognizes fields. And every step that is part of this transaction is being recorded. Once I am done, I click on submit, and as you can see, it registered every step. I can make some adjustments, or I can just save it as is. I can test it before I do that. And this test will test all the steps. If certain steps didn't work, I can adjust them. But if they work, I can move on to the next step. Create an alert policy and then save it, after which test will start executing on the configured test interval.